Welcome back. In this video, we will see how to use SOQL Builder in VS Code. So, SOQL Builder is available as a part of the Salesforce extension pack in VS Code. With SOQL Builder, you can visually build, run, and explore results from queries, taking out the guesswork from building SOQL queries. So let's see how to use SOQL Builder in VS Code. So first of all, you have to install Salesforce extension pack which contains SOQL extension along with it. So I will go to extension and search for Salesforce extension pack, and when we click on it we have to install this. And as you can see, if I scroll down, it also contains SOQL and it contains SOQL Builder. So after installing it, you have to create a Salesforce DX project in VS Code and connect it with your org, and also the org should not be expired. Now after doing this, we will see how to use it. So for that, press Ctrl Shift P on your keyboard and search for create query in SOQL Builder and click on this. Now the SOQL Builder is open. So let's try to create a SOQL query to fetch account records, ID, name, industry, and shipping address. So for object, I will choose account here. After that, I will choose the fields. So the fields I want are ID, name, industry, and shipping country. After selecting the fields which you want in your data, then click on run query. It will take some time to show the output. As you can see on the screen, the ID, name, and industry along with shipping country are visible on the screen, and there are total 17 records fetched using this uh, query, and this is the query which is built using SOQL Builder. Now let's try to uh, order by these records. So I want to show the records having industry in descending order. So I will use descending, and here the field is industry. Now close it and run the SOQL query again. Also, I forgot to click on this add button. So click on this add button and then run the query. As you can see, order by is added here. Click run query and it will show you the output. As you can see here, now the records are being ordered by industry in descending order. The transportation is coming on the top. Now let's try to uh, limit the result. Here we are getting total 17 records. Now I only want to see 10 records, so I will here write the limit 10, close it, and as you can see, limit 10 is added. So just run the query, and now it will only fetch 10 records. As you can see on the screen, 10 records are fetched. Now let's try to add filter into the SOQL query. For doing that, you can go to this filter section and here select the field. So here I want to filter the industry, the records where industry is equals to energy. So I will choose the field industry equals to, and the value should be energy. Click on add, close this, and click on run query. As you can see, the condition is added here. So I will click on run query, and it is only displaying the records having industry equals to energy. And here we can also use the and or operator. So I will use the or operator, and here I only want to see the records having shipping country as USA. Click on add, close this, and click on run query. As you can see, we are getting 4 records, 3 records where industry is equals to energy, and the 4th record where shipping country is equal to USA. So this is how you can use SOQL Builder. Now one problem with SOQL Builder is that currently it doesn't support the relationship queries to be created using it. So you will not be able to create the relationship queries here like parent to child queries or child to parent queries, but you will be able to run those queries. So let me show you how to run those queries. As I have already saved one SOQL query here. So if you go to your sdks project and click on script, under that you will see a folder SOQL, and under that there will be a file with extension SOQL will be created. It will not contain the exact data, but here you can write the query. As I have written one relationship query, I will select the code, and after that I will press Ctrl Shift T, and here you can see the command execute SOQL query with currently selected test. You have to click on that and then click on REST API. It will take some time to run the query. So it is querying the data. After that, to see the result, you can click on this, and like here the query is displayed, and here it says your query contains statement that SOQL Builder doesn't currently support. It is showing that, but you will be able to run the query. So if you click on run query, you will be able to see the result. So here is the result of that relationship query which we have created. So that's it in this video. Thank you very much.